Hello guys and welcome back to Code with Rashid. In the previous tutorial we talked about list and its usage in Python. Now in this video we shall discuss tuple. In some ways tuple is similar to a list as it has got same properties like iteration, indexing, nested objects and repetition. The difference between tuple and the list is that tuple is immutable and the list is mutable. So what does it mean? Its mean is that we cannot change the value of tuple once it is declared. So now first of all we shall see how we define a tuple in Python. So to declare an empty tuple we will say empty tuple and then round bracket open and round bracket close. That is how you define an empty tuple. So now we shall define a non-empty tuple. For that purpose we will put some values here 1 2 3. Now if we print this result we shall get the output in the console. So this is the output guys. Suppose we have got two tuples and we want to concatenate these two tuples. How shall we achieve this? For that purpose, first of all we will write the first tuple and then the plus operator and then the last tuple. So after performing the plus operation, these two tuples will concatenate. So after running the program we can see here that it has concatenated the two tuples. So this was the concatenation in tuple. Now let's say if we have got two tuples, tuple 3 and 4, and we want to add these two tuples inside another tuple. For that purpose we can say tuple 6 is equal to tuple 3 comma tuple 4. So we shall take these two tuples inside another tuple. So after printing the results we shall see that we have got a tuple that is having another two tuples inside its body. So this is the output here guys. So this was the nested tuple. Suppose we have got a tuple and there is a value inside that tuple and we were given a task to actually repeat that tuple 5 times. How shall we achieve this? Let's see it. So we say name is equal to Rashid. So this is a tuple. Now we want to repeat it 5 times. For that purpose, first of all we will put a static sign here, then the number of repetition. Let's say we will put 5. So after printing the value we shall see that we have got Rashid repeated 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this was the repetition in tuple. Suppose we have a scenario where we have got a tuple of fruits and we want to access grapes. How do we achieve this in tuple? We can simply say fruits and then the index value of grapes. In that case the index value of grapes is 0, 1 and 2. So we shall write it like this. Let's run this program and we have got grapes here. So let's say we have a scenario where we need to print the value of orange, grapes and melon. How do we achieve this result in one line? We can achieve the same result using range in tuple. So we shall write 1 to 5. So after running this program we shall get orange, grapes and melon. We have also got apple. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we want to get the value up to melon we need to write here 4. So it will fetch all the values from 1 up to 3 index. After running the program, we can see that we have got orange, grapes and melon. In some another situation, we have got a tuple of numbers and we want to check whether the tuple is mutable or not. We have already discussed in the beginning that tuple is immutable. It means that once the value is assigned, we cannot change it. So this is the tuple. We have already declared the values here. So now if I try to change the value of tuple, I should get an exception. Let's say I say numbers of 2. I want to replace this value with 5. If I do like this, I shall get an exception. The exception is tuple object does not support item assignment. So tuple is immutable. We can only declare it, but we cannot change it. So let's say we have got a tuple of numbers and we want to print the length of numbers. How do we achieve it? We can simply use the len keyword, len of tuple. So we'll write a tuple inside and then we can get the length of tuple, that is 5 in that case. In another scenario, we have got a tuple of numbers again and we want to convert into a list. How do we achieve it? So let's say we have got a tuple 35613 and we want to change the value of 6 to 7, but we cannot do it in tuple. So how do we achieve the same thing using list? First of all, what we will do is we will convert this into a list. List 5 is equal to, we can use a keyword list for that purpose, list and then tuple 5. So we can copy the value here and after converting into a list, we shall print the tuple. We shall print the list 5. Let's run this program and guys see, we have converted this tuple into a list. Now as we can see, as we know that list is mutable, we can change the value of list. So we shall say list of 5. So we can change this value to 7. Okay, list of 5 and index 2, the new value is 7. So let's print the list again. So now the value is 35713. We can again convert it into a tuple. We will say tuple 5 is equal to tuple keyword and then the list. So now we shall print this tuple. So now we have got 35713. So in this situation we wanted to change the value of tuple. For that purpose, first of all we converted tuple into a list and then change the value of index 2 and then simply converted it into a tuple again and then simply printed the result on the console. So guys, this was tuple in Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hopefully we'll keep on uploading videos for future tutorials. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.